Well, I'm on my back deck, my little deck, with my little beauties back here. I love my flowers, and I hope to have a lot more flowers to show next season. But the petunias are doing wonderful, and purple is my favorite color. Strawberries, the season's changing, it's getting a lot colder, but I have some little berries back there. I think what I'm going to do next year is I'm just going to use those two planters just for the strawberries. The tomatoes, they're doing really good and ripening up. I'm still coming out to pick them for salads. My zucchini, I'm starting to see a little powdery mildew coming on them, and I created some milk spray to try to get rid of that, because I do want to get some zucchini out of this little plant. It's a cocozelle zucchini, and it's pretty much, it's like a bush. It's not gonna be like a vine, and I've been cutting off the male flowers as they come up, and I'm hoping that by cutting the male flowers that I'll start to see a female pop up. Well, that's what I hope. I have some little carrots back here growing. I have some dianthus in here and some lettuce. I kind of threw seeds in there. Back here, right here is Nebuka onion. And so we'll see what happens with them. I threw those in there August the 11th. The carrots back here are little finger carrots, and I put those in August 11th. And I stuck a sucker in there of my black cherry tomato, and it's starting to get some blooms. So hopefully I'll get a few tomatoes out of that. I just experiment and see what works. Back here I have the dragon tongue beans, and they're doing really good. I have beans coming. Enough for me, because my family, they don't like beans. So I have some marigolds right here. They're French marigolds. I started those from seed indoors back in April. I have some dianthus that it's doing pretty well. I thought, why not? And then I have a little tomato in there that I didn't expect to be in there, but it decided to pop up. So we'll see what it does. And this is my little fall garden with my Callie Kim gardening home smart pot. So pretty much I have some boulder beets. I have right here is some blue Dale spinach. I have some blue curled kale and some kitten spinach. I have some Paris market carrots. I have some collards back here. Calendula, which is getting pretty big. So hopefully, and I bought, those are some seeds from Callie Kim. I have some lettuce back here because I did put in some chives and they never germinated. That's what happens sometimes. So I put in some lettuce. So hopefully I'll be able to get some nice lettuce for my salads. And I put some more lettuce here. So we'll see what it does. I started all these, most of the seeds in here for the fall. I started it August the 11th. And I'm hoping before the last frost, which I looked at the Farmer's Almanac, and they said that the last frost will be November the 12th. So I'll be coming back here to give you an update again, probably maybe I'm thinking in October. Maybe October 11th is when I'll do an update on this little smart pot back here with my little small deck, small porch, but I'm still growing food despite. And I'm trying to get a video up to show you my older garden, which was in the city, and I surely miss it. I had a large garden, and I did a video, and I found it on my iPad, so it's a little long, and I'm having trouble transferring it over to Camtasia. So I'm not going to give up. So until the next video, blessings, y'all.